In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Pinterest on your device. Now once you're here, go ahead and click on the bottom right corner of your screen presented by your user profile. So this will take you into your Pinterest account. Now in here, click on the top left corner of your screen to be able to view your profile account settings. And then in here, go ahead and click on account management. So this will take you into your account. And then in here, go ahead and click on app theme. So this will allow you to select your app theme, set it to dark, and this will allow you to turn on dark mode on your Pinterest account on your device. And that's basically how you can turn on dark mode on Pinterest.